Ever met someone whose vibes are like an energy shot, boosting your mood and bringing calmness? It's like they have a direct connection with God or the divine. Vibrational frequency, UC, is a key factor in determining our fate. If you're on a high vibration, you attract amazing things into your life. On the contrary, a low vibration attracts painful and unpleasant experiences. Eckhart Tolle embodied this perfectly, stating that the power for creating a better future is contained in the present moment. A good present creates a good future. High vibrational individuals emanate a sense of wisdom felt through their words, providing a soothing effect on the mind and body. We interpret energy through our feelings. Laughter fills every part of your being, making you feel alive, a sign of a high vibration. On the other hand, danger makes you contract, a sign of a low vibration. Despite the desire to emulate high vibrational traits, it can be challenging, but fear not, as we explore the 5 hidden traits of high vibrational people that no one talks about. Stick around until the end and let's discuss in the comments. 5 secret traits of high vibrational people today. We go through the secrets that make high vibrational individuals truly extraordinary. Number 1. Authenticity and open-mindedness. Now start with a journey into the first secret trait of high vibrational people, the extraordinary power of authenticity and open-mindedness. Living at a high vibration means being able to express your total genuineness, having an open mind that hungers for wisdom despite societal pressures attempting to pull you down. As Eckhart Tolle once highlighted, the key lies in creating a better future in the present moment. High vibrational people, adorned with infinite wisdom, have a unique energy felt through their laughter, permeating every part of your being. In contrast, low vibrations bring about a sense of danger and withdrawal. Those living with high vibrational energy resist the influence of limiting beliefs and thoughts. They possess a profound inclination to ask challenging and thought-provoking questions, leading to deep insights and revelations. Their thinking patterns are highly nuanced and unique, enabling them to approach problems from unconventional angles. These individuals are not afraid to think outside the box, constantly challenging themselves to expand their mental horizons. Society may attempt to label them, call them names, but what they don't realize is that the power of authenticity goes beyond any fear of public shaming. High vibrational individuals become trailblazers, inspiring others to break free from limiting beliefs and patterns of thought, ultimately unlocking their hidden potential. So, as we continue our exploration into the world of high vibration, always remember, living authentically and embracing an open mind is the first step to becoming a channel of infinite wisdom, effortlessly allowing positive energy to flow through you. Number 2. Unwavering self-belief. As our journey into the world of high vibrational living continues, let's go through the second secret trait, the remarkable power of unwavering self-belief. Imagine individuals who, like cosmic forces, resist the pull of societal norms, breaking free from the shackles of self-doubt. These high vibrational beings possess an extraordinary ability to navigate their existence with confidence and resilience. Living at a high vibration means more than just existing. It's about rejecting the influence of limiting beliefs and thoughts. Those who exude high vibrational energy possess an insatiable thirst for wisdom, and they aren't afraid to ask challenging, thought-provoking questions. These individuals, these trailblazers, approach problems with highly nuanced and unique thinking patterns. They think outside the box, constantly challenging themselves to expand their mental horizons. Society may try to pull them down, but individuals with high vibrational energy are resilient. They understand that the power of authenticity goes beyond any fear of public shaming. So as we navigate this journey, remember that high vibrational living involves maximizing unlearning. Whether life kicks you hard, prompting a search for a permanent solution, or you consciously decide to move ahead, let your desire for knowledge be your guide. Number 3. Establishing healthy boundaries. As our journey unfolds, we arrive at the heart of high vibrational living, the third secret trait, establishing healthy boundaries. Picture individuals in perfect harmony with their inner selves, possessing a deep understanding of their needs and values. These are the architects of healthy boundaries, the custodians of their energy, weaving a tapestry of radiant living. High vibrational individuals confidently say no when necessary, communicating their limits with ease. Their boundaries are rooted in self-love and respect, enabling them to protect their energy and cultivate healthy relationships with those around them. Aware of their self-worth, they stand firm, unwilling to tolerate anything that doesn't contribute to their well-being. Toxic relationships, whether they involve abusive behavior, manipulation, or possessiveness, find no place in their lives. They value genuine connections and shun the pretense of fake relationships or friendships, where authenticity is sacrificed. These high vibrational beings refuse to be taken advantage of, be it in their personal or professional lives. Toxic jobs that don't align with their values or lead to burnout are also deemed unacceptable. Their pursuit is a high vibrational lifestyle, surrounded by positivity, joy, and abundance. They understand the importance of financial stability, unwilling to settle for low salaries that don't reflect their skills and contributions. In every aspect of life, they strive for a balance that elevates their well-being. So, as we absorb the essence of establishing healthy boundaries, remember this: your time and energy are valuable. Number 4. Continuous learning and unlearning. Imagine this as a perpetual journey, a dance between gaining new knowledge and shedding old beliefs like leaves in autumn. So, you know those individuals with a high vibrational frequency. They're the ones always hungry for wisdom, resisting the influence of limiting beliefs and thoughts. These trailblazers have thinking patterns that are as unique as fingerprints. They approach problems from unconventional angles, constantly challenging themselves to expand their mental horizons. Picture this: they're not afraid to think outside the box. Society might try to label them, but their authenticity goes beyond any fear of public shaming. Life, as Osho wisely said, is a leela, a play. It involves not just learning new things, but also unlearning old habits and beliefs that might be holding us back. So, how do they do it? How do these high vibrational beings maximize their unlearning? Often, it happens when life kicks you so hard that you've got no option but to look for a permanent solution. Or you can consciously decide to move ahead, realizing the self. The desire for knowledge becomes a valuable asset, granted only to those who've gained sufficient expertise and are willing to acquire more. It's about using your hunger and desire to go deeper within. Wasting time on useless activities and distractions becomes crucial. High vibrational individuals understand that these can keep you stuck in a lower vibration, like a broken record. So, as we navigate this journey of continuous learning and unlearning, remember, it's about breaking free from constraints, tapping into that well of knowledge and wisdom. Number 5. Emotional intelligence and positive thinking. In our journey through the secrets of high vibrational living, we now arrive at the 5th and final trait, the enchanting world of positive thinking and emotional intelligence. Imagine this trait as the crescendo in the symphony of high vibrational living. It's about understanding the profound connection between our thoughts, emotions, and the universe. You know those individuals who seem to effortlessly attract positivity and abundance into their lives. It's like they have a magnetic force guiding them towards their goals and dreams. High vibrational people possess a strong connection to their inner selves, radiating positive energy that creates a powerful aura felt by those around them. So, how does this happen? How do they manifest their desires almost effortlessly? According to the law of attraction, a person's personal vibration is directly linked to their ability to manifest desires. When their vibration is high, they're in perfect alignment with their goals, attracting positive outcomes almost instantly. It's not just about wishful thinking. It's about consciously choosing positive thoughts that uplift our emotional state. Positive thoughts create a ripple effect, impacting our lives and the world around us. Our thoughts, like waves, create profound impacts on our emotional well-being. Choosing positive thoughts can uplift us, bringing joy and abundance into our lives. As we wrap up our exploration of the 5 secret traits, Remember, you are the creator of your world. Until next time, keep your vibes high, creators. If you found value in this exploration, consider subscribing to my channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to share this video with others who might benefit from these transformative insights. Have a fantastic day.